This is Lemon's Car Spotting. You post to Instagram with the hashtag Lemon's Car Spotting. We pick the hooptiest.
They are so incredibly terrible.
And which one we want to become a real Lemons build.
It does car-like things. I've been pushing for one of those in Lemons too, and those are very affordable.
Hey everybody, it's Jay and Eric, and we're back with Lemon's Car Spotting. You are out in the world, you see ridiculous, crazy stuff out on the street. Take a picture, hashtag Lemon's Car Spotting. We will find it. We might talk about it. We're going to pick the two from the week that we most want to see in Lemons. Okay, let's go. This one's mine. Yeah, this one's mine. All right, this is a Buick Free Spirit?
A Century, yeah.
Century, that's right. I picked this for two reasons. One, it's got a Indy pace car history, and I love Indy pace cars. I can't think of a kind of more ridiculous and pointless and yet spectacular recurring theme than the Indy pace car. There's just so much good stuff that comes out of that. What I really picked this for, though, is there is this malaise, the core of the malaise era, right in the bicentennial, and there's all of this wackadoodle red, white, and blue crap. Every Detroit manufacturer had these packages, and you never see them now at all. Brilliant Lemons theme. Why are more malaise teams not doing the bicentennial themes? I mean, it writes itself. You got the dude with the bloody headband. He's playing the fife. You got the chunky guy playing the drum. I mean, it's easy peasy. So, all right, this is mine.
Yeah, I mean, crap. I was going to look this up. I need to share this from the standard catalog. All right. This is an excerpt, a reading from the Book of Buick, by the way, which is in keeping with the bicentennial standard Buick body colors. 1976 Buick body colors were, get ready for the list: Judicial Black, Liberty White, Pewter Gray, Potomac Blue, Continental Blue, Concord Green, Constitution Green, Mount Vernon Cream, which is horrifying to say out loud, Buckskin Tan, Musket Brown, Boston Red, and Independence Red. 1976 Buick.
Wow. See, there you go. Bicentennial, it's underused.
Let's all just take a quiet second to appreciate this thing.
I'm welling up with pride right now.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Now let us move on to my pick for the week, which is, that is totally the wrong photo.
How could that be the wrong photo?
Well, that is an old press photo. Now let me,
You're going to size up the right one?
Yep.
I literally, as a kid, rode in these a couple of times.
There it is.
Oh, man. Well, this isn't the airport limo version, but
no, it's not. But this is a Checker, either a Marathon or a Superba wagon. Doesn't really matter. I think the Superba was trim. There are so many things amazing about Checkers that is just perfect for Lemons. Not least of which was they used the Kaiser Fraser Continental engine until like 1964.
I didn't know.
And after that, there was all Chevy stuff, which is probably what this is. It's probably a later one with a Chevy. But if you found that Fraser flathead that was in a Checker, that'd be spectacular. It's so weird for these to be anything but a cab that, I don't know who in their right mind in 1962 found a Checker dealer and bought one. It's just so obscure. Yeah.
No, I have wondered about that, but you could buy them. I mean, you could just walk in and get one, and I don't know who would do it. But so we've had, obviously, Rich Von Snyder has his Checker that he runs out in Denver. Have we had any others?
Nope, just the one. And he assures me that Checker...
I would have expected, really.
Yeah, he assures me that Checker people are super weird, even in the grand scheme of weird car people. So who am I to argue about that? But, it's an easy theme as well. Just slap some taxi stickers on it and you got it. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Look at the pride of Kalamazoo right there.
Yeah, that's just pretty good stuff right there.
Yeah.
So do you think that this guy, every time he gets into his Checker, do you think he's just like, I am the coolest man in the world? Or is he, I hate this car. It's so slow. It's so heavy. It doesn't steer. What do you think the daily life is like in a checker?
Both. I think it's
Yeah.
both. Yeah.
True.
So that could be you. I mean, pretty much anything we're going to be featuring here on Lemon's Car Spotting is probably Class C material. And both of these are 100% that.
Yeah, guaranteed Class C cars.
Yeah. Well, I think that'll do it for this episode. We will see you next week with some fresh Lemon's Car Spotting. Be sure to tag them, Lemon's Car Spotting. We'll talk about the ones we want to see as Lemon's Cars.